Hi, I'm not sure if you've seen this one before. It's called Speedordle. Basically, you have do as many Wordles as you can in 3 minutes. There's a clock count above there. So once you start, I guess it's going to start running down. So I'm going to put in as many words in as I can and see crack on from there. So let's start. Salad. Not something I ever eat, as you can tell, I'm sure. Tally. Not sure why that word is stuck around the middle of there. Right. Shown. Oh, why did I call him now? Sunk. No, it can't be sunk. Snuck. No. Spunk. Total American word. Sorry, it was skunk. Right. So that's one I got wrong. And, oh God. Fever. And that's piney. No, yeah, piney. And an F. Oh, spoof. Got a minute left. Savoy. Don't think that's a word. Oh, it is. I'm surprised at that. Oh, that's stuck in there again for some reason. Music. Oh, wasting time doing that. Frog waste. Nymph. Decor. Oops. Laps. No, right, we're out of time. So I did 9. I had skunk wrong and salsa. But 9. I'd kind of be hoping for at least double figures. But that's a good one to start with. I think that'll be something I'll do every day. So if you can do better, please let me know. Please subscribe down below. Cheers. Bye.